Mr. Nevins, probable
Yes.
cause has been determined for possession of a controlled substance 1 gram greater than equal to 1 gram less than 4 grams. Can you afford an attorney or do you need a court-appointed attorney?
I need a court-appointed attorney.
Okay. My public defender, tell me what your name is this morning.
Devin Johnston, Your Honor.
Got it right there. All right. Thank you, Mr. Johnson. Do you have anything that you want to add?
I would just say, Your Honor, that as far as the probable cause goes, I don't see any weight listed, so I don't really have any way to tell exactly how much there was.
Okay. Okay. Hang on 1 second. Let me reread this. You're absolutely right. So I'm going to take a step back and I'm going to determine no probable cause. I need a weight. If they don't test it, then I need a weight. So no probable cause. So what this means is, Mr. Nevins, you're going to be released. You're not going to have to bond out on this charge. However, be aware that when they present this case to the district attorney's office, if they accept it, they will issue a warrant for your arrest. Thank you.
Oh, I go back down there?
Okay, Mr. Vassar, I've determined probable cause for possession of a controlled substance 1 gram greater than equal to 1 gram less than 4 grams and for unauthorized use of a vehicle. Can you afford an attorney or do you need a court-appointed attorney?
I need a court appointed.
Mr. Johnson?
Yes, ma'am. Jason, do you live here in Amarillo right now?
Yes,
Do you have a permanent address right now?
do not.
Okay. Do you have any form of income right now?
No, I do not.
And how long have you been living in the area?
Almost 20 years.
20 years. All right, Your Honor, I would just ask you to take that into consideration that he has no income right now for his bond.
Okay. Also probable cause was determined for driving while licensed and valid with previous conviction or suspension. And I'm putting you down for a court appointed on that. So for your possession of a controlled substance, I'm setting that amount in the amount of $5,000. For your unauthorized use of a vehicle, $5,000. Bond conditions, not break any laws of the state of Texas or any other state. And you must abstain from the use or possession of any illegal, dangerous drugs, narcotics, marijuana, and alcohol unless under the direction of a physician while on bond. For your driving while licensed and valid, I'm setting the bond at $500. If you can tell me that, yes, you will show up for all of your court hearings, your court appearances, I will make that one a personal bond.
No, I'll show
Okay.
up.
So that was going to be a personal bond in the amount of $500. Your one bond condition, not break any laws of the state of Texas or any other state. Thank you.
That's cat bond or property.
Okay, we're going to bring states notified of your arrest and detention. Mr. Nguyen, we're going to start with your resisting arrest, search or transport. Probable cause was not determined for this charge at this time. Also, probable cause was not determined for criminal mischief. Greater than equal to $750, less than $2,500. What this means is you will not have to bond out on these charges. Just be aware that when they present this case to the county attorney's office, if they accept the charges, they will issue a warrant for your arrest for those 2 charges.
Which charges were those again? I'm sorry.
Resisting arrest, search and transport, and for criminal mischief.
Okay, understood.
Probable cause was determined for interfere with public duties, for terroristic threat against a peace officer or judge, and for possession of a controlled substance 2 grams less than 1 grams. Can you afford an attorney or do you need a court-appointed attorney?
I'm not too sure, but
I'm going to put you down for a court-appointed attorney. We're always going to stand on the side of caution, and that way we'll start that ball rolling. If you're able to hire your own attorney, that's fine. You can stop the court-appointed.
okay. I'm sorry. That's very confusing to me all the time.
No, and I agree with you. It is. Anytime you have a case,
Yes, ma'am.
before you enter a plea of guilty, you're entitled, if you qualify, for a court-appointed attorney if you want an attorney to represent you.
Okay.
All right? Mr. Johnson.
Yes, Your Honor. Besides agreeing with the 2 charges that no probable cause was found on, I have an issue with the others actually as well, Your Honor.
Okay, give me just a second. Let me reread them.
Sure.
I read everything beginning, but there's a lot of people here today, so I don't remember exactly specifics on each one.
No problem, Your Honor.
Okay, I'm going to agree with the no probable cause for the possession of a controlled substance, 2 grams less than 1 gram, because there is no weight there. And I don't know what that pin is. So I'm going to go with no probable cause there. I still am going to go with the terroristic threat against the law enforcement and interfere with public duties.
Your Honor.
Do you have anything else you want to add?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
Where are you living right now? What city you living in? I see.
Here, sir.
Living here?
Yes, sir.
Speak a little louder, just so just.
Yes, ma'am. I'm currently living here in Amarillo in the city.
Okay.
Job? No?
No, sir. I'm self-employed. I'm considered to be self-employed.
Okay. Who are you
Okay.
with?
Currently I'm living by myself at the address of 20.
Lovely. You're just living in Amarillo? Right.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Your Honor, I just ask you to take into consideration, you can't make any money here right
So
now.
for the terroristic threat, I'm going to set that bond in the amount of $5,000. Your bond condition is going to be break no laws of the state of Texas or any other state. And you must abstain from the use or possession of any illegal, dangerous drugs, narcotics, marijuana, and alcohol, unless under the direction of a physician while on bond. For your interfere with public duties, I'm going to set that bond in the amount of $1,000. One bond condition, not break any laws of the state of Texas or any other state. All right, thank you.
How you doing?
Doing great, sir. Hang on just a moment and I will be right with you. All right, for your possession of a controlled substance, 1 gram less than 1 gram, I am not going to determine probable cause because they did not give me a weight. And so you are not going to have to bond out on that charge. However, be aware that when they present it to the district attorney's office, if they accept the charges, they will issue a warrant for your arrest. You do have a warrant for your arrest for possession of a controlled substance, 1 gram less than 1 gram. Can you afford an attorney or do you need a court-appointed attorney?
I do need one.
Okay. Are you currently on bond?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Mr. Johnson?
Yes, Your Honor. All right, sir, do you live here in Amarillo right now?
Yes.
How long have you lived here?
All my life.
Do you live with anyone right now? Who do you live with? Are you working right now? What do you do? Without saying where you work specifically, what do you do?
I do lawn and construction.
Be a little louder.
Lawn and construction.
On construction, okay. Your Honor, I would just ask you to take that into consideration, determining.
Yes, sir. I'm going to set the bond the amount of $3,500. Your bond condition is going to be not break any laws of the state of Texas or any other state. And you must abstain from the use or possession of any illegal, dangerous drugs, narcotics, marijuana, and alcohol unless under the direction of a physician while on bond. Thank you.
All right.
Ms. Freeman, I've determined probable cause for collision involving injury and for driving while intoxicated. Can you afford an attorney or do you need a court-appointed attorney?
I can afford one.
Okay. If for some reason you're unable to afford to hire one, anytime before you enter a plea of guilty, you can stop and ask for that court-appointed attorney. Mr. Johnson, do you have anything to add?
I'm not really
Okay. Are you working right now, ma'am?
no,
You're retired? So are you getting Social Security?
no.
No.
I get teach retirement.
You teach retirement, okay.
That's all I get is teach retirement.
That's all you're getting is teacher retirement?
Yeah, so maybe I do need a court appointment. I don't
Would
know
you
if
like
that's
to-
the best.
Would you like to change your mind with the judge and tell her you want a court-appointed attorney, or would you still like to hire your own?
Yeah, based on my teacher annuity.
Okay, what I'll do is I'll put the court-appointed attorney. If you're able to hire your own, you just say that your attorney will let the court-appointed attorney know they don't need him.
Okay.
Yeah. All right. Thank you. Ms. Freeman, for your collision involving injury, your bond's going to be set in the amount of $5,000. Bond conditions: not break any laws of the state of Texas or any other state. And you must abstain from the use or possession of any illegal, dangerous drugs, narcotics, marijuana, and alcohol unless under the direction of physician while on bond. For your driving while intoxicated, your bond will be set in the amount of $3,000. Your bond conditions are going to be: you may not consume alcohol while on bond. You may not break any laws of the state of Texas or any other state while on bond. And you must remain in your home between the hours of 9 p.m. and 6 a.m. unless you're at work, going to work, or coming home from work. Thank you.
No. Wait a second.
You understand what she said?
No, I don't
Okay.
understand the last part, ma'am.
Okay. The bond condition.
Yeah,
Okay. What that means is you have to remain in your home, at home, between the hours of 6 a.m. Sorry. I'm sorry. 9 p.m. at night to 6 a.m. in the morning, unless you're driving to work, driving home from work, or you are at work. So at
okay,
9 o'clock at night, you have a curfew, and that curfew lasts until 6 o'clock in the morning.
okay, that's perfectly fine. Now, we were planning a trip to New England to see the fall foliage, me and my husband.
That's going to be between you and your
Can
bondsman.
I still go?
That's
Okay,
between you and your bondsman. I
Oh,
didn't
my
tell you
bond-
you had to stay
okay.
home.
I don't even know how to do that. Okay. Someone figure me out how to do a bondsman?
You can talk later with the phone.
They'll talk to you. Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
okay,
Too.
okay. So, did you write that down?
What?
All she said, because.
They'll give you those conditions and all of that as well, to be able to talk
Oh,
with your
like
bond.
on paper? I've never done
Yes.
this before. is
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
Yes, they'll give it to you on paper. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, thank you.
You're
All right.
welcome.
Go back. Thank you very much, man.
Mr. Flores, you have a warrant for your arrest. This is a probation violation, possession of a controlled substance, 1 gram greater than equal to 1 gram less than 4 grams. Can you afford an attorney, or do you need a court-appointed attorney?
I need a court-appointed attorney.
Absolutely. Because this is a probation violation, only the judge that you pled guilty to can set this bond. And so you're going to have to see the judge out of the, I think it's the 3/20th.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So yes, it'll be the judge out of the 3/20th that will set your bond. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
Mr. Jones, you have a warrant for your arrest. This is a probation violation, assault, family impeding breath or circulation. Can you afford an attorney, or do you need a court-appointed attorney?
I thought I had a court attorney for the cases that I just got. Paul Herman, he got the cases that I'm going through now that I just picked up.
I'm just going to put you down for a court-appointed attorney. We'll see how that, if they assign him this case or not. Because this is a probation violation, only the judge out of the 251st can set your bond. Thank you.
Gotcha.
Mr. Sanders, you have a warrant for your arrest out of Potter County. This is a probation violation, assault on a security officer. Can you afford an attorney, or do you need a court-appointed attorney?
Yeah, I don't know. I'd have to call my mom. She could.
Okay, I'm going to put you down for a court-appointed attorney.
Okay,
And
cool.
that way we can start that ball rolling. And if your mother hires you an attorney, then you can just say no to the court appointed, but otherwise, at least we've got that one starting. You also have a warrant for your arrest out of Randall County. This is a probation violation, possession of a controlled substance, 1 gram less than 1 gram. So I'm putting you down for a court appointed attorney there. Because this is a probation violation, which means you've already pled guilty on a case, only the judge that set your bond, which is the judge out of the 108th, can set your bond on this case. And so for me today, it is a no bond. And for your Randall County probation violation, it will also be a no bond because it is a probation violation.
They
All right.
did I believe judge a $10,000, the judge there?
Oh, did the judge there set it?
Yes.
Okay. All right, then I'm going to set your bond in the amount of 10.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and I would actually prefer it to go that way, so I'm good. Is that it?
Yeah, you can go ahead and have a seat. He's done.
Mr. Harris, I've determined probable cause for evading arrest and detention with a, nope, just evading arrest and detention. Can you afford an attorney or do you need a court-appointed attorney?
I need a court-appointed attorney.
Okay, Mr. Johnson?
Yeah, Marcus, where do you live right now?
In my car.
Okay. Do you have a job?
I do.
When did you get that job?
Like 2 weeks ago, not even. I haven't got paid yet though or anything. I just like started and I probably got fired because I was supposed to go in last night.
Okay. Are you dealing with any health issues right now?
I have heart problems. I got bradycardia and I'm supposed to go to the cardiologist tomorrow for to see if I have heart murmurs.
Okay. Your Honor, I would just ask you take it into consideration so you can get out, get his health checked and get back to the
Absolutely.
doctor.
Mr. Harris, I have a question. If I were to set you a personal bond, is there a location that you're receiving mail?
Yes, at my mom's house. My mom's on my my mom gives me my mail.
All right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to set you a personal bond. So what this means is you got to keep checking with your mom and make sure you get any mail and make all your court appearances.
Okay.
They'll issue a warrant for your arrest if you skip one of your court appearances. So I'm going to set your bond in the amount of $1,000. I'm going to make it a personal bond. You have one bond condition, not break any laws of the state of Texas or any other state while on bond.
Yes.
All right. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. Have a blessed day.
You too. Thank you.
I will try.
Mr. Yanez, I've determined probable cause for assault causing bodily injury family member. Can you afford an attorney or do you need a court-appointed attorney?
I need one, but I don't need one because I didn't.
This is not, like I said, she's not here to determine.
Yes, ma'am. I need one.
Okay, Mr. Johnson.
Yes, Your Honor. Juan, do you live here in Amarillo?
Yes, sir.
How long have you lived here?
Most of my whole life.
Speak up a little bit.
Most
Yeah.
of my whole life.
Do you have family here?
Yes, sir.
What kind of family do you have here?
My mom, my siblings.
Are you working right now?
Yes, sir.
What do you work at? Without saying exactly where.
JBS.
Okay. Do you have a child?
Yes.
How old is your child?
2 months.
Are you paying for bills?
Some of them, yes.
And Your Honor, I just ask you to take that into consideration so you can continue paying.
I'm going to set the bond in the amount of $2,500. Your bond conditions are going to be no direct or indirect contact communication with the victim. You may not go within 200 yards of the victim, home of the victim, workplace of the victim. You may not, you're being placed under a magistrate's order of emergency protection. It begins today, the 13th day of September. It is in effect until November 13th, 2025. I have the victim listed. You also cannot break any laws of the state of Texas or any other state, and you may not possess a firearm or ammunition.
Yes, ma'am.
Having said that, I'm going to back up. You have a child together. I did not say you couldn't speak to her. I said you cannot speak to her in a threatening or harassing manner, and you cannot be within 200 yards of her workplace, her home. So
Can I
any
call her?
visitations with the, I said you could talk to her, just not in a threatening or harassing manner.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So if she hangs up on you, don't call her back. If she
Yes,
says,
ma'am.
don't talk to me, don't call her back. But
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can't threaten her or harass her or any of her family members. If y'all set up any visitations with the child, it has to be through a third party because you can't be within 200 yards of her. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
You're the one that will get in trouble.
Yes, ma'am.
Any other questions?
No, ma'am.
Do y'all live together?
No, ma'am. She lives with her parent. I live with mom.
Okay. That helps. All right. Thank you.
Thank you. So, okay, thank you.
Mr. Avien, I've determined probable cause for criminal trespass. Can you afford an attorney or do you need a court-appointed attorney?
I can afford an attorney.
You can afford one or you cannot?
I can.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm going to set your bond the amount of $500. You're going to have one bond condition, not to break any laws of the state of Texas or any other state. Thank you.
Thanks. Well,
Mr. Salah determined probable cause for criminal trespass and for theft of property greater than equal to $100, less than $750. Can you afford an attorney or do you need a court-appointed attorney? Court-appointed?
I think I should have one already.
These aren't warrants. They're brand new charges that took place last night.
Yeah.
Here's the thing. I'll put you down for a court-appointed attorney. If you hire your own attorney, let them know. They'll stop the court-appointed attorney process.
Yeah, I need one. I need one.
Okay. I put you down for one. Mr. Johnson?
Sir, do you live in Amarillo?
Yes, sir.
Who do you live with?
My parents.
You have a job right now?
Yes, sir.
Have you been looking for one?
Yes, sir.
Your Honor, I would just ask you to take into consideration he has no income right now.
For the criminal trespass, I'm going to set the bond in the amount of $500. For your theft of property, I'm going to set the bond in the amount of $1,000. You have one bond condition on each of these charges, not to break any laws of the state of Texas or any other state. Do you understand that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
all right. But it's Ndayishimye, ma'am.
Ndayishimye. Wow,
Ndayishimye.
pretty close then. Comes
Yeah.
out a lot prettier. I couldn't imagine how I was going to pronounce it. All right, so I've determined probable cause for racing on a highway. Can you afford an attorney or do you need a court-appointed attorney?
Need a court attorney, appointed attorney. please?
Appointed attorney, absolutely. Mr. Johnson?
Yes, ma'am. Juvie, where are you living right now? City-wise, not address.
Like, oh, Amarillo.
All right, who do you live with?
My mom.
Do you have a child?
Yes.
Is it daughter or son?
Daughter.
Is she living with you?
Yes.
How old is she?
She's 7 months old.
Are you paying for her?
Yes.
Are you watching over her?
Yes.
And how are you doing that? Are you working right now?
Yes.
Yeah. Your Honor, I just ask that, take that into consideration. He's the breadwinner and taking care of the infant.
I'm going to set the bond the amount of $750. Your one bond condition will be not to break any laws of the state of Texas or any other state while you're on bond. All right, thank you.
Yeah.
With 10%.
Yeah, do it.
Mr. Romero, I've determined probable cause for racing on the highway. Can you afford an attorney or do you need a court-appointed attorney?
No, I'll take the court-appointed attorney, ma'am.
Absolutely. Mr. Johnson, do you have anything you want to add?
Eric, are you working right now?
I'm finna start this electrician job on Monday.
Are you starting on Monday? Okay. Did you live here in Amarillo?
Yes, ma'am.
How long have you lived here in Amarillo?
My whole life.
So what? That's all, Your Honor. Just like to get him out so we can start working an electrician.
Absolutely. I'm going to set the bond the amount of $750. You have one bond condition, not to break any laws of the state of Texas or any other state while on bond.
Yes, ma'am. But
All right.
the
Thank
bond, I
you.
gotta pay the whole thing, like $750.
Talk to a
If
bond
you
company.
go through a bondsman, it's $75.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
All right. Thank
Have a
you.
nice day.
All right. You too.